Because I saw complaints from Machakos as they commemorated some of the young people's disappearances and killings. We really want, as a committee, to look at it and make sure that, Mr. Speaker, everything comes to light and summon, as a committee of parliament, as a committee of justice, all those people involved so that they can come and tell us what is happening, bring the data, bring the figures, bring the names, so that the whole country can know.
I know we can never get lives back. We can never get dignity back, but that is the least we can do as a country. You know, we need to be honest. When I see my colleagues pontificating themselves, the fact that people were killed is very unfortunate. But we must how to rewrite. And that is why the government has come up on how we can compensate some of these victims. Even from my own county, I want the young people who are beaten up playing pool table in Nandi Hills Town to be compensated.
And I want to appreciate also from the perspective of recognizing that the government allocated 2 billion Kenyan shillings. This is the first time that the Kenya Kwanza government has prioritized the pride of the families that lost their beloved ones. This is history. This has never happened before. The questions that he has raised are, they're okay, transparency, accountability, but what is key to acknowledge is the fact that 2 billion has been set to assist these families.
Na kamati hii ambayo inahusika na mchakato huu iliposema kwamba imewapa watu zaidi ya 500 fedha, kijana huyu aliweza kunipigia simu na kuniuliza iwaje nilipeana stakabadhi zangu, nikapeana ushahidi na jina langu halipo miongoni mwa wale ambao walipewa fidia. Kile ningependa kuomba Mheshimiwa Spika ni kwamba kamati hii sasa lazima iwajibike na iweze kuwasilisha orodha ya wale ambao wamenufaika kutokana na fedha hizi kutoka pembe mbalimbali za nchi ya Kenya.